Hey everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. Before starting our video, I just want to say thanks to all of you because after 4 whole months my channel's monetization is finally enabled. This is just because of you people. Thank you so much for that. So today in this video we will be talking about how to use Google Chrome in dark mode. You can see that I have already enabled my dark mode in Google Chrome browser. So all this image looks very good in dark mode. If you want to see how to enable the dark mode in Google Chrome browser for Android, then be with me. So to turn on dark mode in Google Chrome browser, first of all you just have to check whether your Chrome browser is updated or not. For doing so, just open Play Store and search for Chrome in the search bar. As you can see, I have already updated my Google Chrome browser. If your Google Chrome is not fully updated, then you just have to update your Google Chrome browser first. After updating your Chrome browser, just open Chrome browser and click on these 3 dots. Now go to settings. After that, just scroll down and select themes. We have got dark mode option, so you just have to click on this dark mode and your Chrome browser will be fully in dark mode. Okay, so this is as simple as that. I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I'll be back with another interesting video. Until then, goodbye and take care.